Go. Cut it, the onions.
Oh!
Go.
Just lipad. Hindi nasa video ako kay mama.
Yeah.
Sabi niya magaling ako eh. I got the letter. No, I didn't got it.
Turn it.
I got it.
Go.
I got it. Put it. Ano ba to? Square shape to.
Your hands.
Oh, yes. Hindi careful.
Be careful.
Ah!
Oh no, not like that. Here, oh.
Oh no.
This one.
What?
The name, the onion. Here.
And then the onion.
Yeah. Your hands, ha? Okay, go. Hey, your hands.
Oh, yes.
Oh, your hands. Yeah, very good.
It's like wibbly wobbly like a jelly. But it's okay. It's wibbly jelly.
Go. This one, the orange.
The
Cut
orange?
it.
Tawag na orange yung onion? Is it healthy, the onion and the orange?
Yeah. What's next?
Ganun, magkakat.
Yeah. Be careful, ha? Slowly lang po.
I'm cutting the orange, my favorite orange.
Yeah.
Like my orange. We're
Turn the
orange.
paper. Oh, your hand.
Oh, sorry. Like, whoa.
It's okay.
I'll do it next
That's
time.
okay. It's okay lang.
Baka may...
Here, hold the paper. Hold mo yung paper dito, oh. No, not like that. Ganun, diba? Ba't ganun? Ayan.
Ganun?
Be careful. Oh, slowly lang, ha?
At lipas. Ganun.
Mm.
I want to be fast.
No, don't be fast.
I'm just joking, mommy. Pero malaki.
Go. Hold mo to here.
Oh, okay. Oh no. Oh no, I'm ready na. Oh no, we're going to start again.
Like that. Oh.
Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Go. Na-stress ako sa'yo, ah. Mama, magupit yung ano eh. Kamay niya eh. Oh. Wait. Your hand. Go. Like this.
Alright.
Oh, your hand.
I need to go here to the orange. So I can eat it. Yum, yum, yum. Okay, I'm just joking because it's that real orange. The paper.
Wait.
No battery.
Mommy, what are you doing? You're standing still.
Go. Hey, wait. Dito mo hawakan. Diyan.
Nagilgil mo na ako.
Oh, nagilgil na kita talaga.
I watch my cutting. I just gigil. Ah,
Oh. Yan.
ito. Sa O.
You might cut your finger kasi you want?
Ayoko.
You don't have fingers na?
I want to.
Oh, kaya be careful po.
Okay.
Or else I will get giggle.
It's a lucky orange.
Show it. Orange na.
Orange. His name is Orange. This is onion. I know the onion now. Sabi niya, onion.
Onion.
The
Battery.
orange.
Charge.
At ano yan, oh? At ano yan?
Durian, look.
Tingnan mo, cutting ko, oh.
Hey, akin yung scissor.
Galing naman. Nakat ko yung ano ng the
Okay,
orange.
next na.
This?
What's next?
I don't know.
What do you want?
The owl or the octopus? I know. The owl.
Okay.
Ano yun? Mami, hindi ko makat yung name.
Yeah.
Because
Go.
it's a name.
Opo.
Okay, so cut it. Cut it up.
Turn it. Oh, very good. Slowly. Wait, your hand. Go.
And then cut that name.
Yeah, very good.
Ito laki like the orange. Ano?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got it.
Ito
last.
galing. Last na lang.
What's that?
It's an octopus.
O is for
Octopus.
octopus.
Ito octopus daw.
Yeah.
Hindi cut ko to.
Opo, later yung letter
Okay.
A. Yeah.
I need to ano to
Go.
the octopus.
Go. Octopus first.
I'm going around.
Hey, slowly your hand kasi.
I'll be here.
Yeah.
Oh, I put in a touch ko. May put in a touch ko dun. Yung ano, head na octopus. And his arm. Oh, so, not. No, it's not.
Oh, the name.
Yes, we don't need to cut the name.
You have to include it.
I include it. I will kabila.
Yeah. Yeah. Up your hand.
Ito sa kabila.
Ito ka naman mag-ano. Yan. Yan mo naman hold. Octopus naman na.
Tada!
Oh, this one, oh, cut mo to, baby, oh. Ang side niya. Kasi it's so laki naman. To. Here.
Here.
Yan. Okay, yan. Ito yan. Yan, oh. Cut mo. Kasi laki. Diba?
Yes. Laki.
Okay na.
Ikaw.
And then the letter, ano?
O.
Yeah.
I know the letter O.
And last one.
The last
Oh, wait.
one. I want to cut more. I want to cut more, mommy.
Next time naman, pagka may assignment ulit sa'yo.
Okay.
Go na, letter O na. Dali, you will paste it pa.
Paste it.
Oh,
Okay.
Or you will hold the paper.
Here. I need to cut this off.
Nope. Yes, here. Here. Like that.
Okay. Oh.
Where will you hold the paper?
Here, sa baba.
Yan.
It's like a plug wheel. Kasi you tanggal the piece. Kami tanggal ko lang yung piece eh.
Here. Yan.
At to the right. I need to cut here. Oh no! It fell.
It fell.
Yes, it fell. Oh, sis is sa kabila.
Oh, your hand.
Okay.
Yan.
Ito.
Yan. Very good.
Okay lang ba? I'm gonna cut to my legs.
Oo.
Ano gawa ni Daddy?
Oh, your hand.
Oh yes. I need to cut here.
Yan. Nervous na nga ako. Dito, teka lang. Malapit na ito matapos. Oy, baby, wait lang. Dito.
Baby, pag wala si mami, wala si daddy, kahit sino, huwag kang magkakapit niyan, ha? Ha? Baby.
Sige, go. Yan. At here to. Here. Can you do it? Here.
Side by
Make it
side.
round. Round.
Round.
Can you make it round? Oh, wait, your hand.
Oh, yes, my
Oh.
hand.
Oh, yes, your hand. Mamaya wala na yung hand mo. Sige.
Ayoko.
Oh, kaya be careful.
Oh,
Oh, diba?
I'm here. Mommy, I'm here.
Yeah.
Ah! Buti nakat ko yung move.
That's okay.
It's
Here
like
pa. Here.
here.
So lucky, oh. Here, oh.
So lucky.
Yeah.
Okay.
Make it round.
Ta-da.
Here. Oh, your hand, ha? Your hand.
Oh, yes. My hand.
Oh, yes, your hand. Later, you got no hand na. Sige.
Yes, my hand. Yeah, I can cut the piece here.
Mm.
Make it round. So many kalat naman sa table.
It's okay. You will clean up later. Don't worry. Up, your hand.
Oh, yes, my hand. Oh, yes, my hand.
Oh, yes. My hand. You're like a pig.
That big.
That's fun. Then you will, you will paste it.
Base. Space it.
Stick it to the paper. Ay. Pilasin mo na lang nga.
Ano? Ano?
Ano? Pilasin mo. Alam mo yung pilas?
Hindi.
Hindi. Oh, your hand nga, oh. Ngani. Yan. Okay na nga yan. Tama na nga. Go na. Ito naman. Where's your glue?
My glue? What I'm doing? What I am doing?
You will paste this one. Your cuttings.
Ano you go? Of the papers.
Thank you.
Oh, no. Dami.
Very good ka naman, baby. Baby, very good ka naman.
Really?
Yeah.
Really good ako mag-cut.
Yeah. Go, paste it naman.
Paste. Where's my glue?
Oh, where's my glue?
Oh, no.
The pink one.
Pink one? Sorry. I don't know where it is. The pink one, the radio. I'm gonna find you.
In your bag. In your school bag. Get your school bag outside.
School bag? Okay. School bag.
Palala ka dyan.
Ha?
Ito, palala ka. Ito ka na.
Kuha pa ako ng ng mga tapos.
Yeah, I just know where it is. Oh my God.
Let me see.
This is the one with the glue.
It's okay na. Go.
Okay, I need to do two shapes. Like the pag ganun yun yung onion. Sa baba ba to? Ganun na ano?
Hindi pa.
Showing ka sama ko.
Oh. Know how to use it? You squeeze it.
You squish? Yes, I know it. To squish. You need to...
Letter O first. Diba? Here on the top.
Oh,
Here.
yes.
Like that.
Yes.
Oh, go. You put
Ay,
you put
glue.
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 Oh, just a little bit.
Wait.
Oh, that's it's too much. Yeah. No, not like that. Oh. Make it. Yeah.
Is enough.
Yeah. Just enough lang. Oh, go.
I just glue the paper.
Oh,
Teacher will love this.
baliktad.
Baligtad ba?
Opo. Ito po, oh, di ba? Ganyan.
Oh, yes. Oh, I know. Yes, we are. Ganun ba?
Pat it, pat it.
Pat, pat, pat. Like a shovel. Pat, pat, pat.
Oh, next. What's next?
This?
Mm. Saka na. Lagyan natin na itong glue.
Ako na.
Ito po, meron pa sa akin no, kasi too much naman yung nilagay mo kanina eh. Diba?
I'm sorry.
Ikaw maglagay niyan.
Ah!
Okay lang yan. Doon, sa gilid lang.
Here
Yan.
is like the puzzle piece.
Yan. Ganun, pat mo. Yan. Next. The octopus here, oh.
Okay.
Just a little bit, and then you spread the,
So,
the
laki.
glue.
Ano dito yun?
Ano po?
Ano ba? I don't know where it is.
Yan. Spread, ha?
Okay, spread.
Oh, wait. Just a little bit. Oh, enough.
That is enough.
Too much na.
Too much.
Yeah. Put some here.
Put some here.
Yeah. Spread it. Like that, Ooh.
Oh no.
Go.
Sticky.
No. Okay lang yan.
Stick.
Kasi too much yung nilagay mo, eh.
It's so sick. Okay. Sticky naman yun.
Ito, usog mo. Nasa labas naman, eh.
Nasa
Usog mo.
lapas.
Okay
Usog.
na. Sige na, okay na yan.
What?
This one, orange.
Orange? Okay, ano orange? Oh, sticky
Yeah.
naman. Nalagay mo yun? Wala. Tino?
Opo. Ayusin mo, Yan. The next one, what's the last one?
I don't know.
Ayun, si Owl.
Si Owl? Saan siya, Tito?
Mm.
Okay.
Oh, stop.
Is it
Spread mo na lang.
bread?
Yeah.
It's so mahal to spread.
Ganun.
I need to stick to my hands.
Yeah, that's okay lang. You'll wash your hands na lang later.
Oh, yes. So sticky. Why did it fill up the owl?
What?
Why did the owl fail? You told yourself and why did your sunburn and the owl fell up? Ito yan.
Opo.
Laki. Laki
Yan.
piece ko.
Apat mo. Wow. Good.
Pasyo ko kay Ate Rian na kaya.
Let me see.
Pa-video ko kay mama to.
Opo.
Ate Rian.